Hi and welcome to I Hit Drums. This is lesson 15 of my beginner video course, and we're actually going to get stuck into a new song today, and this will be the third song within the course, and this one's called Tomorrow. In lessons 6 and 13 we learnt a bunch of different rhythms and variations of 16th note groups, which we then use in lesson 14 where we got used to using the toms, and this gave us a lot of different options for creating fills on the drum kit. We're going to put all that to the test now, along with some other knowledge of different grooves that we've learnt along the way, and these are all going to come together to form the song Tomorrow. But first of all, let's hear the song.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, so that's Tomorrow. That's the song that we're going to be working on in this lesson. So we're going to break down this song into various sections, and we're going to start with some key grooves, which we'll do on the kit in a second. We're also going to look at the written music, a section at a time, and I'll actually play a few little bits along the way that aren't within the key grooves. And I'll also discuss the structure and the counting for this song, because we're not playing immediately. But let's move to the kit and get started on those key grooves. Okay. Key groove 1. Instead of doing a bar of groove and then a whole bar with a fill, we're actually going to get smaller with this now. We're doing a half bar of groove, which in this case is just so 1 and 2 and then the fill part of this key groove, you've got snare, high, mid, mid, floor. So it's 3, you see the counting above that, 3 and 4, E and da, 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 da. So the whole of this key groove is going to sound like this. Now, as I mentioned in the last lesson, I don't have a mid-tom here, so for any mid-tom hits, I'm just returning to the snare drum. So when you get to the 4E in this fill, those are actually mid-tom hits. If you look carefully, there's a line going through the middle. And if you don't know what I'm talking about with these tom hits, you maybe need to revisit lesson 14. I don't have the mid-tom, so I'm going back to my snare drum. If you have the mid-tom, it's going to be ba, ba, da, da, da. Snare, high, mid, mid, floor. And for the sticking, you want to do right, left, right, left, right. Within the last lesson, I did suggest ending on the floor tom with the left hand so that your right hand can get back to the hi-hat. But that only really applies if that last hit with the left hand is the A of 4. In this case, we're finishing with 4E and. So it's the and, not the A. So you've got just the same amount of time to get from here to here when you loop that fill. But let's try this fill twice around. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, key groove 1.